Hi, this is Sarah Lee from My Car Lady with a test drive review of the 2009 Acura TL. This car is a full-size sedan with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 280 horsepower, and 254 foot-pounds of torque, which means there's plenty of get up and go for the mildly aggressive driver in you. The outside styling is sharp with an aggressive new grille and return to the Acura CL back end. You'll either love or hate this pointy tailbone. The paint colors include a rich pearlized white, 3 shades of gray, silver blue, and a bright blue or ruby red for spice. Mirrors include side signals incorporated into the mirror housing and the chrome trim, which is used lightly to express a more subdued executive look. Alloy rims are standard, but a dark chrome or painted black rim on certain colors adds a handsome GQ touch for those of you who need a little extra something on your ride. Inside, the car has cool dash gauges. The paddle shifters are neatly tucked out of the line of sight with fingertip control. iDrive is in arm's reach, and the most basic controls are all steering wheel housed. iDrive in the Acura makes more sense than those car companies that place it near the cup holders for obvious reasons. There's adequate storage with lots of small, clever compartments hidden in and around the center console. There were no blind spots or visibility issues for the average height driver, and a 6'4" guy had plenty of room in the front and the back as long as he wasn't sitting behind another 6-foot guy. The steering is nimble and responsive. The only noise in the cabin is upon acceleration, and the sound system, whether it's the base or the tech package upgrade, easily can handle outside interference. The tech package includes an upgraded stereo system with 10 speakers and 440 watts of sound, as well as a backup camera. The Acura TL surprised me in a lot of ways. It's the right car for the folks who want sporty but not stiff, sharp styling, comfort, toys, and just enough power. Gas mileage, well, it's average. The warranty is bumper to bumper, 4 years, 50,000 miles, with a powertrain of 6 years, 70,000 miles, including roadside assistance and loaner cars. Pricing on the Acura is very reasonable compared to the others I've mentioned, and their lease programs are going to surprise a lot of luxury buyers. I think as long as their customer service maintains the benchmark, Acura is going to see a sharp jump in lease sales this year as all the other manufacturers dial their programs back. I wholeheartedly recommend you consider the TL before leasing or purchasing one of these other models. The car is all there, and the price difference makes it a notable contender. If you have any questions or you'd like to know more about getting a great deal on the Acura TL or any other Acura model, please feel free to contact me at sarahlee@mycarlady.com.